Well, hi everybody, it's Guy from Concierge Camping. Just thought I'd take this opportunity on this beautiful evening to say to everybody, thank you very much. All our customers have been amazing, and I really appreciate how everybody has stood behind us, helped support us as well. I mean, we even had someone phone up to offer to pay for a booking, which I hadn't made, to help with cash flow. So I just want to say thank you very much. Our customers are fantastic. And I thought I'd take this opportunity today whilst walking past our safari lodges and our beautifully manicured grounds. All our hedges have been trimmed recently. We're keeping the place together to an exceptional level as ever, because we just don't know when we're going to be able to open. Toilet blocks have had a thorough clean through. I mean, they've had a deep clean like you couldn't believe. Showers are all done. I mean, don't know when we'll be able to open them, but hopefully soon we will be able to. We did a lot of work over the winter, as ever. I think people who come here know what we do during the winter. And yeah, it's come as a bit of a shock, all of this, but we're not the only people, and we'll get through it. But I did think I'd take this opportunity just to show our customers how the grounds are looking, how the place is looking, what we've been doing, and all the other little bits and bobs. So I thought I'd put a little video together, and yes, while walking around I just thought I'd do this intro to it. Thank you very much everybody. Look, stay safe, look after yourselves, and no doubt we will be seeing you again soon. Take care. Thank you.